Welcome to the project demonstration of wireless power transmission for electric vehicle using solar. In this project we are using solar panel and two charging circuits. Here we can see the charging circuits, and also we can call as a full wave bridge rectifier, and also we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery, step down transformer, and here we can see wireless transmitter, and also you can see the vehicle this side wireless receiver. So it will transmit the power, it will receive the power. So this is the transmitter coil and this is the receiver coil. And also in this robot we are using robo switch. Here we can see the robo switch. We can, if we press this side it will go forward, if we press this side it will come backward. So in initial position like this, so it will be stop. And also here we can see battery pack and switch to on and off the robo. And also here we can see TP4056 for the charging purpose. If we want to charge this battery, we will use to charge through this TP4056. And also here we can see USB board. So we are taking the voltage through this one and it will boost the 3.5 volts to 5 volts. So that 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller. And also here we can see the two capacitors, and also here we can see the LCD display. So it will display the wireless power voltage. And also here we are providing the two capacitors for the good power quality. So let me see the demonstration. So here we can see I am giving the power supply through this power cable to charge this battery electrically. So it will take the 230 volts of AC power supply, and this transformer will step down up to 12 volts of AC supply. That 12 volts of AC supply will be given to this full wave bridge converter. So it will convert AC to DC. That DC power will be given to this battery, then it will be charged. Here we can see, so there is an indication of light, which means battery get charging. And also here we can see another one, it is also a bridge rectifier. So we are giving the solar power output to this input. So here we can see, so there is no any light indication, which means this solar panel is not giving charge to this battery. If I give this one, so we can see the light indication, which means solar power generating the power, that power will be given to this battery. So one doubt will be raised in our mind. So solar power will be generated DC, and also we are giving to the converter. So we are giving to this converter because of reverse of voltage. So if we connect this one directly to this solar panel, it will give a reverse voltage to the solar panel. So solar panel will be damaged. That's why we are connecting to this bridge rectifier to protect from the reverse voltage. So if we want to see the wireless power transmission, so first of all we need to on the switch to the upward. After that we need to on this switch. So here we can see it is showing welcome to the project, and also here we can see the voltage values also. So if I move to the forward, so here we can see the light indication. So it is the light indication of the wireless power. So if I move this one, so there will be no any light indication. So now it's giving a light indication, which means it is taking wireless energy. And also here we can see the voltage, also it is showing 5.0, which means wireless power is calculated through this PIC microcontroller. So we are giving the wireless voltage connection to this PIC microcontroller, that it will take a values of this wireless voltage power values, and it will process the signal, and that signal will be given to this LCD display. In this way this provide will be works. Thanks for the watching.